x to the power 6 under square root whole raised to the power 3 is equal to 512. We have to find the value for x. We can solve it multiple ways. Understand that when a is under square root, it is equal to raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So here we can write x to the power 6 under square root as x to the power 6 raised to the power of 1 upon 2, then whole raised to the power of 3 is equal to 512. Now when a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. So this will be x to the power 6 times 1 upon 2 times 3 is equal to 512, or it is 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. So this is x to the power 9 is equal to 512. Now when we factorize 512, 2 times 256 is 512, then 2 times 128, 2 times 64, 2 times 32, and 32 is equal to 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. So it is equal to 2 to the power 9. So here we can write x to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 9. Now if we raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon 9, then it is equal to x raised to the power of 9 times 1 upon 9 is equal to 2 to the power 9 raised to the power of 1 upon 9. 9 and 9 gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So this is one way of solving it. Another method is x to the power 6 under square root raised to the power of 3 is equal to 512. We can write it as 8 raised to the power of 3. Now when we raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon 3, then it is 8 to the power 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Here also 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Now we have x to the power 6 under square root is equal to 8. 8 we can write it as 2 to the power 3. Now it is x to the power 6 raised to the power of 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3. X to the power 6 times 1 upon 2. 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 2 to the power 3, or x to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 3. Now cube root both the sides. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 and cube root. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Which method did you like more and how did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.